In this video, I'm going to teach you how to group questions in Typeform. In order to do that, first head over to typeform.com and then into this part, you can proceed to click onto this Get Started, It's Free option in order to sign up, or you can just click onto this button that we can see right here. So on my case, since I already have an account, let me just proceed to sign up directly or log in directly by clicking onto this button. Now here is my actual Typeform. In order to create a question group, you first need to open right here a form that you wish to edit. I have in here two forms and I have selected one earlier. Now, to add a question group to your form, what you can do is you can just head over and add a content. Click on this add content option, and then you should be able to see in here this. So what we can do is we can just head over and choose group question. So let's try to search for group. You can see in here this question group. Just need to click on this. After that, it will be added right here. It's now named as 1, and after that is 1A. So input right here question, input that right there. Then if you want, you can proceed to your next question right here. And then you can proceed to add another one if you would want right there. So this will serve as your question group. And you can click onto this three dots right here in order to duplicate that. And if it's duplicated, as you can see, we have this 1B right here. You can proceed to change it right here. And then those questions will be grouped together under this page, and when you click onto this arrow up, this will actually collapse the section for the group question that we have right here. Once you're done with that, proceed to click on the share option in order to send it to people who you want to actually answer this particular form that you have created. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, just comment down below if you have any questions.